Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. Yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 10. I will chain 70. So now that we have chained 70, I'll make sure that my chain is not twisted. Then right here through this last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. So now that we've created this foundation chain, I will chain 3. Then through these next 3 chains, I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So the 3 chain in the beginning of a row plus these 3 double crochets will give us 4 double crochets in total. Now I'll chain 1, I'll skip the next chain and through the next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Again, I'll chain 1, I'll skip the next chain and through the next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So we repeat this throughout row 1. You see we make 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet through each chain, chain 1, skip 1 chain and through the next 4 chains we make 1 double crochet through each chain. Again, chain 1, skip the next chain and through the next 4 chains we make 1 double crochet through each chain. So we just repeat this throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1, I'll chain 1, then right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now, for row 2, I use yarn in different color. Then right here through this 1 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 6. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6, through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 6, through the next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet, again, chain 6, and through the next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. This pattern is just a 2-row repeat. It's actually rather easy to make. I like how it looks as well. So we repeat this throughout row 6. We just chain 6, through the next 1 chain loop we make 1 single crochet, chain 6, and through the next 1 chain loop we make 1 single crochet. So yeah, we repeat this throughout row 2. Now to finish row 2, I'll chain 6, then right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I'll use yarn in color A. So for this row, we repeat row 1. So right here through the 6 chain loop, I insert my hook, through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3, then right there through that same 6 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So we have the 3 chain plus 3 double crochet, and that gives us 4 double crochets in total. Now I'll chain 1, then through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Again, I'll chain 1 through this next 6 chain loop. I'll make 4 double crochet. Again, I'll chain 1 through the next 6 chain loop. I'll make 4 double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 3. We just make 4 double crochets through this first 6 chain loop, chain 1, then through the next 6 chain loop we make 4 double crochet. Now to finish row 3, I'll chain 1. Now right here through this third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 4, I'll use yarn in color B. Then for row 4, we repeat row 2. So right here through this first 1 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through the slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 1, the same 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll chain 6, then through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 6. Through the next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 6. Through the next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 6. Through the next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 6. Through the next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 4. So you see here, it's just a 2-row repeat, but I really like how it looks. I think I'm going to make one more thing with this, something I haven't made before. Yeah, I really like this. I like how it looks. But yeah, we repeat the rows 3 and 4 for the pattern. I don't know for how many rows. I have never made this before, to my knowledge, although there are so many videos there on my channel that I'm not sure, but I don't remember making this one. However, we repeat rows 3 and 4 for the pattern. I don't know for how long. I'll come back and show you, most likely for 7 inches or 8 inches, but we shall see. So we repeat row 3 and 4 until our work reaches around 8 inches. Now let's see how many rows we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now for row 14 we'll start to decrease. So I'll start by making a slip knot and see if this decrease works. I haven't tried it before, but I believe it will. So now right here through this first 1 chain loop, I insert the hook, then insert the hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. And did I say we have 13 rows so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let me just write it down, because we had 13 rows and now we are working on row 14. Sorry guys, I'm getting old. Age is catching up to me. So now I will chain 3, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 14. To finish row 14, I will chain 3, then right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Then I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 14. Now for row 15, again I'll use yarn in color A. Now right here to this 3 chain loop, insert my hook, then insert my hook to a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3, then right there to the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1 through this next 3 chain loop. I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 1 through the next 3 chain loop. I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 1 through the next 3 chain loop. I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 1 through the next 3 chain loop. I'll make 2 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 15. To finish row 15, I will chain 1, then right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 15. Now for row 16, I'll use yarn in a different color. Now I'm going to change it a little bit to see what we're going to do. Alright, so now for this row, right here through this 1 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook to a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3. Now through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop, 1 double crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop, 1 double crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop, 1 double crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop, 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through every 1 chain loop throughout row 16. So now to finish row 16, right here to this 3rd chain, I will make a slip stitch. Chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 16. Now for row 17, I'll use yarn in. Now for row 17, I'll use yarn in color A. Now right here through this 3 chain loop, I insert my hook, then insert my hook to a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3. Now I'm going to decrease, so right here to the same chain and to the next chain I'll make 2 double crochet. It's like a decrease. Through the next chain and the next chain I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. It's kind of like a double crochet cluster, but in this case we're using it as a decrease. So we just continue decreasing in every loop right here between these double crochets from the previous row throughout row 17. Now to finish row 17, right here through this first double crochet cluster chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll leave a long tail. Now turn this hat inside out. Let's measure this now. So the hat is, well, almost 10 inches long. It's not full, but almost. And the widest part is also like 10, almost 10 inches. I actually like how it turned out.